Hello, my name is Ramon Kool. I'm the sales director for the company Neomounts. We are live at the ISE 2023 in Barcelona. I want to deep dive into a new product which we have, which at the moment has a dual screen setup. It's especially for the educational market and the modern meeting rooms, of course. Both in white and black. It comes with a remote. Of course, you can move it up and down. Right now it's at its top position and it has adjustability of 65 centimeters, so that's quite a lot. I just want to bring it down to the bottom position. So, and there we go. Can hold up to 110 kilogram displays. And here is an accessory box as well. It's included in the box. You don't have to install it, but it's very handy if you have hardware accessories. You just pick it up, put it down, and then you can service your products inside. Also has the possibility to put a padlock. So if you want to lock it, it's a possibility for that. It does not come with a lock and a key, but yeah, here's the total solution. Visit our website, www.neomounts.com.